Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Chevrolet Cruze and I will show you how to change the menu language. Now this will apply to this main screen on the dashboard and also to this screen on the instrument cluster. This video will apply to also first generation of Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Now to make the change, first press config button and that will get you to the main menu. Now to scroll through the menu options, you can use this knob to turn it left or right, and to make a selection just press this menu knob in. So select languages and press OK. And here you can choose between English, French or Spanish. So if you select Spanish, everything will be on Spanish, right? I will select English again because I'm in Canada and my first language is English. That's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.